With its bright green color, this spring pea spread welcomes in those warmer months. Let me show you how I do it. This spread is good any time of year because we use frozen peas along with a little olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and Parmesan cheese. Okay, let's put it all together. Just start by running the frozen peas under some warm tap water. I have about 2 cups of frozen peas. Remember, they're already blanched, so they work perfectly here. We're gonna give them a quick whirl up. Squeezing about a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. It has to be fresh. Love that acidity. Also about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Give our peas just a few more pulses. I'm going to add in about 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, freshly grated. And now, just with the processor running, we're going to add our liquids. That's the olive oil and lemon juice. Give it a little scrape down. Make sure it blends really well together till it's nice and smooth. Smells delicious, and that lemon juice keeps it nice and green. A little bit of salt. I'm sure it tastes really good. A few cracks of pepper. One more whirl up, and then we're done. I love serving this with other vegetables or little crostinis, little toasts. It's so good. You can think about it like a dip or even a spread on sandwiches. I hope you try making this spring pea spread at home, and I hope you enjoy.